Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to use Google Maps on our Galaxy Watch 9 or Watch Ultra 2 smartwatches. So without any further delay, let's start. First, to use Google Maps on your smartwatch, you have to first download Google Maps on your smartphone. If you are using Samsung smartphone, that Google Maps is already available on your smartphone. So you have to just open it. If it is not available in smartphone, then just go to Play Store and search for Google Maps. And after that, just log into it and open it. And after that, on your smartwatch, you have to again open Play Store. Here on your smartwatch, you will see that Google Maps is already available. You have to just open it. If you don't see it in here, then you can go to Google Play Store and again download it on your smartwatch. For that, you have to open Play Store on your smartwatch and search for Google Maps. Just open Google Play Store and search for Google Maps. Now search for it. And here you can see Google Maps is already available. Now you can update it to the latest version or simply open it. On Galaxy Watch 9 and Watch Ultra 2, the Google Map is already available. Here you can see Google Maps is already available. Just tap on it and open. Now you can search for your favorite destination. Just type your favorite destination and start navigation. Google Maps support all the features that you are using on your smartphone. It also supports offline maps that you can download on your smartwatch, and after that start navigations and start directions. Now in a search, just type your destination and hit search. Now in a result, it will show all the directions and your way, your roads like a car, bus, walking, cycling and other transportations. Here it will also showing maps of Pune. Now just tap on it, start your journey. Here you can see it is showing the Pune. Just come back, start your favorite journey. Just tap on car and after that it will start your journey. See, it is loading all our directions. It is also support turn by turn navigation, live navigation. So you will start your journey. See, you can see it is also supporting voice navigation. So on every turn it will show the correct direction. You have to move turn left or turn right, that it will tell you. And after that you can move to that direction. So it is really easy. Now come back and here on below side you will see all the favorite destinations. Here you can see the recent journey. And below it, it will show restaurants, groceries, coffee, toilets, parking and many more options. Just tap on it and you can search for those favorite destinations. Here you can see all the results. Now according to your need, you can select your favorite restaurant and start your journey. Here below you can see offline maps feature. Just tap on it and you can download offline map on your smartphone, and that downloaded maps will be available on your smartwatch. So if there is no internet connection, then you can also use offline map and start your journey or turn by turn navigation. You have to just download offline map on your smartphone, and after that it will be available in this section. So make sure to download offline maps when you are moving, when there is no internet connections. So that's it guys. I hope you understand everything. If you like the content in this video, then please hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with your friend. Thank you.